Myntri ketenat Pule puthi ke sorkar Jylla Rakkam A Sangma hynne ke sngi Palei ula Pynbna ba ke sorkar Jylla kan phah kumba shipho kat san ngut ki Khynnah Skul ha United Kingdom house number 1 khnang ba kin yo buit bat yo nuksa ya ka Pule puthi ha kiwei pat ki bynta jong ka pyrthei habakran bat kilat pathai Khubor hadian ka jingelang rakhe ya ka sngi kerpang kinong hikai ha Soso Tham Auditorium Myntri ong kane gari ka program kerpang lengba ka jing tuklar Myntri Rangbah khnang ba ki Samla Pule ke Jylla kin yo kilat ban yo ilang ya ke ka bajia shabar jong kari.
No, definitely all this suggestion will take forward, will move forward, and apart from that, so we have already discussed with Honorable Chief Minister about 10 to 15 students from our state will be sending to UK next year as a excursion study to the UK. So for all this mission we have already another. Apart from whatever CMS has been pointed out today, we will definitely carry forward. Special program which Honorable Chief Minister has already discussed and planned with some of the students from maybe one or two from each district, along with some teachers will be sending to UK to have a more exposure, learn and be trained, and so that they will expose more at a global level. So we'll be calling it at CM Global Fellowship Program. So many programs you have takes time to count, but many has been addressed, and there are many more to be done. It's a continuous process, and as a Honorable Chief Minister has already stated, we will leave no stone unturned to achieve the vision, achieve the goal, and we will definitely cross the bridge with the advice of the Honorable Chief Minister and with our dynamic officials in the state. I have told already about even in the session about 2,400 plus schools building is already constructed, renovated, and almost all the government colleges we have the good building now. And under PM Musa, some colleges has been under Rusa, under PM Musa, under NEP program. We have received some fund, and we are undergoing the process. And many infrastructure we have seen improve all the categories, because we have the government, the non-government, the deficit, the SSA, ad hoc, non-private. All this include about 14,000. Right.